How to fix BodyFit app not working. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and search BodyFit. Now tap on search. Now select the app and make sure you have updated to the latest version. And if you still encounter this issue, go back to your home screen. Now keep holding the BodyFit app until this menu pop-ups. Now tap on App Info. Now select Force Stop. Now tap on Force Stop again. Now go to Storage Uses. Now tap on Clear Cache. Now go back to your home screen. If this doesn't fix your problem, go back to your Play Store. Now tap on Uninstall. Again tap on Install. So by following this simple step, you can fix BodyFit app not working. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.